Now we show you how to install and use Rotary device. First, before everything, we need to follow daily procedure. Print a test. Make sure the test is good. Then, switch the software to the Rotary mode. Two options here. One flat, the other rotary. Select Rotary. Click Confirm, your software is in English version. Then, rise the whole beam. To the top. Then get the Rotary device. The motor should be at the rear end. Here we have 3 holes for screws. Install the Rotary device according to the position of the holes. To fix the device, we just need to screw on 2 screws. Then we connect the power cord of the Rotary device. After that, power off. Switch this to Rotary mode. Power on. Here, uncheck this Y margin. Then prepare a sample. Wrap it with a piece of paper and put it on. We need to move the print head left on top of the bottles. The highest point of the bottle should be at the center of the two heads. Adjust the print height. Return the carriage to cap station. Prepare the picture we need to print. Input the position of the print we need. Then start printing. Then we finish the installation of the rotary device. This is the whole process. Let's say if you want to go back to flat mode. We need to take this device down. Unscrew the screws. Power off the machine. Unplug the cord. And take this device down. Switch this button back to flat mode, then power on. The same goes for software, flat mode. Then we can go ahead and print flat products.